Hello, x square minus y square is equal to 24. This is equation first, and xy is equal to 35. This is equation second. Find the value of x plus y. First of all, using equation first, x square minus y square is equal to 24. We can write this one like as x plus y, x minus y is equal to 24. Take a square on both sides here. Brackets square is equal to 24 square. We can write this one like as x plus y square, x minus y square is equal to 24 square. Now we have two formulas like this. A plus b square, it would be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another formula, a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We apply these two formulas here. First of all, we can write this one like as x square plus 2xy plus y square, and this one write as x square minus 2xy plus y square. It would be equal to 24. Now we recall equation first, which we know xy is equal to 35. This apply here. We can write this one like as x square plus 2 35 plus y square brackets, and now again x square minus 2 35 plus y square is equal to 24 square. Now we can write this one x square 35 multiplied by 2 becomes 70 plus y square, and here also becomes 70 plus y square is equal to 24 whole square. We can write this one x square plus y square plus 70, x square plus y square minus 70 is equal to 24 whole square. Now we write this one into brackets, x square plus y square brackets plus 70, and this one also x square plus y square brackets minus 70 is equal to 24 whole square. We have another formula like this, a square minus b square, it would be equal to a minus b or a plus b. We can see that if we consider this one equal to a and this one equal to b, we apply this formula over here. So we write this one like as x square plus y square whole square minus 70 square is equal to 24 whole square. This 70 square goes to the right side of the equation. This would become positive 70 square plus 24 whole square. Now we can write this one x square plus y square whole square. This one becomes 49, and this would be equal to 576. Add these two values, we get 5467, and this is also equal to x square plus y square brackets whole square. Take a square root on both sides. We get plus minus 74, and this would become x square plus y square. We have a formula like that, x plus y square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y square, this would be equal to plus minus 74 2 and this would be equal to 35 is equal to 74 plus minus plus 70. From here we have two factor like that, x plus y square plus 74 plus 70 and x plus y square minus 74 plus 70. X plus y square is equal to 144. Take a square root on both sides. We get x plus y plus minus 12 and x plus y square is equal to minus 4. Take a square root on both sides. X plus y square root of minus 4, it would be equal to 2 iota. So our answer is that x plus y is equal to plus minus 12 and another answer is that x plus y is equal to 2 iota. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch out more videos.